I will cover using i.onbmc.com portal. i.onbmc.com is a service catalog portal provided for BMC Helix customers where one can log a support ticket, check status of their tickets, submit change requests and work orders. Additionally, this portal provides access to service status dashboard, service request reports, and view real-time end user experience. Plus, it provides links to product and service documentation. To access i.onbmc.com, launch your browser and go to i.onbmc.com. This will take you to our DWP landing page where you can access different resources. Now let's talk about different ways to submit a new incident. Report an incident is something that you're going to select to submit a general non-critical incident. Report an availability incident is when you want to submit a business critical service unavailability issue. Use report performance incident to submit business critical service performance issue such as slowness. To submit an incident when performing UAT test as part of your Helix upgrade, use raise and upgrade UAT incident. Now let's take a look at how to submit a new incident. Click on one of the available service, provide the summary, describe the issue such as the business impact of the issue, what behavior you are seeing, and what is the desired result that you are expecting. And also provide steps to reproduce that issue. Choose the service, which is an application where you are experiencing an issue. Choose the environment, which would be dev, QA, or production. Choose the impact and attach any supporting documents, such as screenshot, and hit submit request. Now let's take a look at what other service requests that you can submit. Use request a change to submit a change request. Use request a go live assessment to request an assessment to your environment pre-go live. Use request an ITSM upgrade to request an upgrade to your environment. Use something else if you're not sure which option to choose. Now let's take a look at how to submit a change request. Go to request a change, provide the change summary, select the environment where the change should be implemented, provide any service request number which been used for any other environment. Provide the notification contacts, including the emergency contact who would be contacted if a change doesn't go well. Provide the preferred contact method, which would be phone or email. Select the requested start date, provide the change duration, use risk level, and provide the implementation steps, which should be detailed. If there is a backout plan, where to roll back a change, put that in the backout plan steps. Provide any change validation step that you want BMC to validate post-implementation of a change. Attach any supporting documents that you may have, and submit a change. i.onbmc.com also provide other services that you can use. Service request report. This gives you a consolidated view of your open request and you can export that in an Excel format. Let's take a quick look at what service request report looks like. Click on service request report, choose your environment, which will show you all the current open requests with BMC support. You can also filter based on start date and end date and see any past requests that you have submitted. Use change calendar to review a schedule of your current RFCs on a change view. It shows past 90 days changes. To look at the change, click on change calendar and choose your environment, which will give you a calendar view of all the different changes that you have submitted. The next option is service status dashboard. This shows the key performance indicators such as production service availability, login response time, and other metrics. To access, simply click on service status dashboard, choose your environment, which will give you the version that you're on, the system availability and login response time, the number of requests that's present in your environment. It will also give you the license information such as unique user login and the license consumptions. The real-time end user experience shows real-time traffic transmit between the end user and the BMC data center for your production environment. To access, simply click on the link, choose your environment, and it's going to give you the information, the traffic information to your production data center from different regions. You can have a map view or grid view. Use contact list option to view or modify your contact list for notifications, such as maintenance, emergency, or general notification. The next option that we have is self-help resources, where you can access knowledge articles describing known errors, solution to software-related issues, or you can access subscriber information for your BMC Helix services that includes operational process, license entitlements, and policies. The BMC Helix policies provide documentation for policies that you have subscribed to related to the BMC Helix services. You can also access BMC Helix community site where you can collaborate with peers, other customers, consultants, or our SMEs. The service management product documentation will take you to our product documentation page for all our BMC service management. Thank you.